ICS3U. This video goes over how to make submenus. So we've already seen how to make a main menu. And if I switch over to Visual Studio Code, you'll see that I've started making a program already that allows you to pick a color or pick a mood. And so that's my menu. So I'll put print main menu. But see, if they select pick a color, we want to present them with an option of colors to pick. If they select a mood, if they want to pick a mood, we'll give them a bunch of different moods to pick and then go from there. Maybe this is for a playlist, for music. That makes sense with mood and different colors and feelings and stuff. So yes, we are being very... Okay, so 2 equal signs there. There was an error. I just fixed it. So it says pick a color or pick a mood. So if I select pick a color, all it says is colors submenu. Nothing else is coded in there. I'm going to pause to make my font a little bit bigger so you can see that a bit better now from home or wherever you are in class. And let's make our submenu. So this is the whole topic of what we're trying to do. So if they select colors, I want to ask them about what color they want. So 1 red, and I'm just doing some random colors. If you're doing the airline assignment or the banking assignment, this could come in very useful. So now we're going to say color is going to be a new value we get from the user. It's going to be an integer. Again, a question mark I'm doing. And we'll say if color equals 1, print that is the color of a rose, maybe. What about else if color equals 2? Well, that would be blue. So print that is the color of the sky. And then if color equals 3, print that is the color of a frog. Frog. So when we so I want you to notice that we have on line 5, I have on line 5, my if statement, it's not tabbed in at all because I don't have a loop around it. It's just if choice equals 1. It shows all this stuff. It asks them for their input again, and the if and else if statements for color are tabbed in at the same level. There's a line going all the way down here. So when I run it, I'll make my output a bit larger or more space here. It says pick a color, pick a mood. I'll select 1 for pick a color. Now we're in our submenu and it says red, green, or blue. So I'll select 2 for blue. And it says that is the color of the sky. Now what if, you're going to have this, what if you want to go back to the main menu? So we want to introduce the idea of a while loop around this whole thing. So I'm going to go back to the top of my code and say while, and I'm just going to put the word true in. Remember, a condition keeps looping as long as it evaluates to true. But so by putting true in here, it's kind of like shortcutting or short-circuiting it, or like hot wiring it. So it's always going to be true. It's never going to not be true. So it's always going to be looping. We can use something called the break statement to force it to break later on. Now I'm going to go ahead and select all of my code and tab it in. So everything is tabbed in except for the while. Well, the while true is at the top, but everything is now inside of there. What I want to do is I want to have another option inside of my colors menu for go back to, or I'll just say main menu. So in that case, I want it to go back to the main menu. And I'll just have an else statement. So in all other cases, if they type in 4, or anything else for that matter, it'll just say returning to main menu. Because remember, when you actually select from the color submenu, let's say they said red, in reality, you're not just going to have one line here. You're going to have a bunch of stuff that happens. And it's all going to be tabbed in, right? Right here. But this is just I'm just starting you off. So in the else statement, you are truly only going to have one line that says return to the main menu. Let's do something for if they select red. I'll say red equals input. What is your name? What is your name? And then right after that line, I'll say print, thank you for using the red program. And that'll be it. So now let's see what happens when we select red. Just makes it a little bit more realistic maybe. I know it's doing something completely useless, but that's okay. So pick a color. I'll say 1. Okay, 1. And colors submenu. So I'll say red, and it says, that is the color of a rose. What is your name? My name is Don. So, and then it says, thank you for using the red program, and then it goes back to the main menu. What if I go back to pick a color, and then I say, well, I didn't really want to go there. I'm going to go back to main menu. And I type in 4 to do that. It goes back to the main menu without doing anything else. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can now do the mood submenu on your own. I'm going to pause it. Actually, you know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you my program and I'm going to make it available online. But I am going to pause so that you can see. I'm just going to copy and paste. All right, I'm back. So I did some typing out and copying and pasting and editing here. So I've completed choice 2 to some extent. So now it has, you can select angry, happy, or sad, 1, 2, or 3. When they select their option, if mood is equal to 1, well, you're going to have to fill that in with the dots, same for 2 and 3. And then with the else, if they type in anything else, well, I guess we could print for exit to main menu. It's just going to exit to the main menu. It doesn't do anything else. And it will loop back around and go to the beginning. So that is the basis for creating submenus, which you'll have to do in your assignment. Okay, that's it for now.